Have we forgotten something important? What is that? That every person is part of the story. Every family, every friendship, every person we meet,
That's true.
they all create the world we live in.
Nature reminds us of something humans sometimes forget. We are connected. A team is not made from identical people. It is made from different people working towards something together.
Have we forgotten something important? What is that?
That every person is part of the story.
Some heroes never stand in the spotlight, but every day they make someone's life better.
Just because you stumble does not mean your journey is over. Are you all right?
Yes, thank you.
You are not just watching the story of humanity. You are part of it.
Look around you. Everything you see exists because someone cared enough to build it. This wall will stand for years. These crops feed families.
Knowledge shapes our future.
The world keeps moving because millions of ordinary people quietly do extraordinary things. Gotta keep the goods moving.
Have a great day.
This should solve the issue. The players aren't the only team. Every voice in the crowd helps carry hope. We are a team, we carry hope. United stand, hope in our hand.
The greatest rewards are not always medals. Sometimes they're the lives we've helped along the way. Everyone stumbles, but every step forward begins with getting back up. You're right. Let's try again.
Nature has always understood something humanity sometimes forgets. Life grows through connection. Different languages, different traditions, but the same human heart.
Do you still think you don't matter? You matter more than you know. Every act of kindness changes someone else's story. Have we forgotten something important? What is that? That every person is part of the story.
No one can do everything, but everyone can do something.
Every day, billions of people wake up.
And without even realizing it, they help keep the world turning.
The invisible bridge.
Exactly. We all play a part. Different skills, different lives, one shared purpose.
Have we forgotten something important? What is that? That every person is part of the story.
A team isn't only the people on the field.
Some save lives in operating theaters. Others save lives with a smile, a kind word, or simply by being there.
You're doing great. Rest easy.
The wind does not recognize borders. What is that?
Nature reminds us that we are more connected than we sometimes remember.
Have we forgotten something important? What is that?
That every person is part of the story,
Different languages, different traditions.
but the same hopes for tomorrow.
Have you ever believed you weren't important? I hope one day you realize the world has never had another you. Don't measure your worth by your fame.
Here, you drop this.
Oh, thank you so much.
Let me help you with that. Bless you, dear.
Measure it by the kindness you leave behind.
If today has been difficult, please remember this. You are seen, you are loved, and your story is still being written. Sometimes the greatest truths are found in the quietest places.
We all see the world through different eyes, but we all share the same world. Family reminds us that we were never meant to walk through life alone. No one can change everything, but everyone can change something.
The strongest bridges are built through understanding, and every act of kindness strengthens them. The human family begins one person, one family, one kindness at a time.
Do you really think you're not important? If that's what you've been told, they were wrong. No life is too small. No act of kindness is ever wasted.
We see you.
We believe in you. The future still needs you.
Different lives, different stories, different journeys, one human family. Let's build bridges.